Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Wave for property expense management, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with Wave for property expense management, open your web browser. Navigate to the Wave website by entering the URL in the address bar. Once the home page loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password in the designated fields. If you are a new user, click on the Sign Up option to create an account. Follow the prompts to fill out your personal information for registration. Once you have an account, return to the Sign In page and enter your credentials again. After logging in, you will be directed to the Wave dashboard. Look for the section dedicated to expenses on the sidebar menu. Click on Expenses to access the Expense Management feature. Next, locate the Manage Expenses option within this section. Click on Manage Expenses to open the Expense Management interface. To begin tracking property expenses, locate the Add an Expense button. Click on Add an Expense to enter details about your property-related costs. Fill in the required fields such as date, amount, and category for the expense. If needed, add a description to provide additional context for the expense. Once all information is entered, click on the Save button to record the expense. To view your expenses, return to the Manage Expenses section. Here, you will see a list of all recorded expenses. To filter expenses by property or category, use the available search tools. This feature helps in organizing your property expenses efficiently. If you encounter any issues during authentication, check your internet connection. Ensure your browser is up to date for optimal performance. For additional support, visit the Wave Help Center linked at the bottom of the page. This resource offers answers to common questions and troubleshooting tips. Following these steps will enable you to effectively authenticate and manage property expenses with Wave. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.